So charge of proton equal to 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs, but with positive charge. It is equal to charge of electron, but sign is different. So next, mass of proton. Mass of proton equal to 1.673 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. Minus 27 kilograms. This is mass of a proton. And proton. This is a mass of a proton. Next, here electron is the mass of electron. Mass of electron is 1 by 18 36 times of mass of hydrogen or proton. Mass of proton. Mass of proton. Next, this is proton. Next to neutron discovery. Discovery of neutron. This is a neutron discovered by the Chadwick. By the Chadwick. See, neutrons are neutral species. There is no charge. Neutral species, neutral particles. It is difficult to find difficult to observe the behavior of those particles. But how they discovered mean that the Chadwick observed when beryllium 9 isotope is bombarded with a helium particle. Now he got a neutral particle. Neutral particles, they are neutrons, and also carbon 13. So these are neutrons. Neutron symbol. So beryllium 9 isotope, when bombarded with the helium alpha particles, helium 4 particles, then he observed the neutron particles. They have zero charge, mean there is no charge. Neutron is equal to mass of neutron equal to 1.675 into 10 power minus 27 kilograms. Next, here, so these are about neutrons, and here mass of electron is 1 by 1838 times of mass of neutron. So this is next mass of electron is 1 by 1837 times of mass of hydrogen. Next to atomic models. So atomic models gives the information about the structure of atom. That means the subatomic particles, electron, proton, neutrons, how they are arranged, how they are distributed in the atom, explained by the atomic models. In that Thomson model, you know that according to Thomson model, so he compared Thomson compared the atom like watermelon model or plum pudding model. So according to him, so in the watermelon how the electrons are distributed, how the seeds are distributed, how seeds are distributed, they are equal to electrons. He considered seeds are equal to electrons, and that positive fiber, fibrous material is considered as a positive charge. So positive charge wholly overall atom it can be spread. So he concluded in the fibrous material how the seeds are arranged, same way the electrons also embedded throughout the atom. Electrons are embedded like seeds in the watermelon, and the positive part of the watermelon equal to positive charge, positive particles. So here this is electrons are negative charge with positive fibrous material. So positive, negative or neutral. So atom is according to him atom is neutral. Atom electrically neutral. He told that atom is electrically neutral. So that is the Thomson model. It's a failure model. It explains some points but not explain everything. And next to Rutherford model. Alpha ray scattering. So Rutherford discovered the nucleus. Discovered the nucleus in the atom. So he has taken a polonium metal. This is the radioactive element. Polonium, radioactive element. Radioactive metal. And from polonium, the particles alpha rays are produced. Those particles are passed through those particles. This polonium metal is inserted in the lead plate. This is the lead plate. So this polonium is inserted in the lead plate, and from polonium alpha rays are passed. So these alpha rays are passed through a thin gold foil. So this is about 100 mm thickness. Very thin gold foil. This is a gold foil. So around this he has taken a fluorescent zinc sulfide fluorescent material. So when alpha rays are passed through this gold foil, almost 95-96% of the alpha rays are traveled in all directions without deflection. Almost they are traveled. 90% of the particles are traveled, and some particles are deflected like this. Some are out of 20,000, one particle is 180 degrees. Upon 180 degrees, it is deflected. So 99% of the particles are moved through the gold foil. That means he understand that the atom is a completely hollow sphere. That is, maximum atom has a empty space, and few particles are deflected. Based on that, he understood that inside the atom, at the central of the atom, there is a mass positive charge is present. So he understood he observed those points from this experiment, alpha ray experiment. So based on this experiments, he proposed his Rutherford model. This is also called planetary model. So according to him, atom is having nucleus inside, and which is having high positive charge. Around the nucleus, electrons are revolved in the circular orbits. So those circular orbits are called shells or orbits. Electrons are revolved around the nucleus. Around the positively charged nucleus, electrons are revolved. So this positive charge is the thick mass, high density, high mass. So this is the responsible for the whole mass of the atom, whole mass of the atom. So and also the electrons have negative charge and inside is positive charge. So atom is electrically neutral. He told atom is electrically neutral. So and so he proposed his postulates like this, but still he did not explain some. So the limitations, if you see, he did not explain the why atom is stable. Atom why stable he did not explain, and also how the electrons are distributed in the orbits, but energy of electrons and orbits energy did not explain. So these are the, and also he concluded that atom is compared like solar system around the sun. How electrons are revolved, the electrons also revolved around the nucleus. So this is also called planetary model. So thank you.